Let's make snowflakes. Introduction. Have you ever looked closely at a real snowflake? Say intricate designs look simple to similar to lace or delicate crochet buttons. You can make your own snowflake pattern by folding and cutting paper in certain ways. This book will show you how to make 3 sets of paper snowflakes. You will also see how adding extra cuts can make each of your snowflakes look different. Let's start. Papers and fold. Place a piece of copy papers on a table with the long direction going across from left to right. Look at the diagram. Lift the bottom left corner and gently bring it up and towards the right side until the top edge touch. Crease the paper on the diagonal fold. Diagonal fold is in the diagram to the right. The top left corner should be a point, and the two top edges should line up together.
3.
Cut off the thin rectangle for extra paper that stick out in the on the right side. Open up your paper triangle. You will see that you have a square. Then you look at the when you look at the diagonals fold line. Can you see how the two triangle shapes can make a square? Now fold your square paper in half to make it into a rectangle. Instead of a triangle, the diagram to the right. So you have. Next, fold this new rectangle shape in half, and it will make a smaller square. Can you figure out which corner is the center of the paper? Make a dot with a pencil to mark the center so you can find it again later. Then find the crease and fold your paper one more time. The new shape is a triangle again. Now you're ready to cut out some snowflakes. Square snowflakes. Remember where you mark the dot for the center. Now hold and fold the paper with the center pointing down. The top edge of the triangle will be the outside of your snowflake. If you leave this edge straight, you will make a snowflake with a shape size with square size. Later, you will learn ways to change this outside edge. Edge. This chart shows some of the shapes. You can cut things about how each shape will look when you unfold shape with your finished snowflakes. Leaving the outside edge uncut. Cut out shapes from the other two sides of the triangle. Cut carefully and be sure to leave some of the paper connected so your snowflake will not fall apart. When you have finished cutting the shape you want, gently unfold the snowflake. Do you recognize how the shape you cut out of the edge makes the pattern you see now? Round snowflakes. Create the basic folds on page 5 through 7 as you did with the square snowflakes. Will the edges will become the outside of your snowflake. That edge should be placed at the top. Cut that edge in an arc. An arc is a curve that is piece of a circle. Cutting an arc will make the snowflake a circle instead of a square. Cut set out of the other two sides of the triangle. If you want to, you can cut the curved edge too. Try some of the ideas shown the diagram on page 11. Next, let's change the dimension of the snowflake's center by cutting out new shapes. Look at the chart for some idea, or use your imagination to make up your own. Star-shaped snowflakes. Create the base folds on page 5 through 7. Cut the top edge the size in one of the shapes down on this page. Then cut the sides and center in any way that seems like fun to you. Other idea. Do you want to make smaller snowflakes for a piece of paper in 4 equal parts, carefully lining up all the edges? Cut down the fold. Along the fold lines. Then use each of the 4 pieces of paper to make a snowflake. You can take your snowflakes on window or use them in many other ways. Have fun!